Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about how to on pocket mode in Redmi 10 phone camera setting guys. How can you on? So today I'm going to tell you about this setting. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So now let's start video friends. First of all, what will you have to do? Open your camera friends, and guys you can see this three line option. So we will click here, setting option we have to click guys. So we will click. After guys you can see pocket mode guys. So guys you can see lock touch gesture when placed in a pocket. So guys you want to on, so guys we will on it. So I think friends you have understood how to on pocket mode camera setting in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.